Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable HeyGen projects from autosyncing, full guide step by step clearly. To disable autosyncing for HeyGen projects, start by opening the HeyGen app on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the settings icon, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the settings icon to access the app's configuration options. Within the settings menu, locate the section labeled Project Settings. Select Project Settings to view the various options related to your projects. Scroll down until you find the option for Autosync. Tap on Autosync to open its settings. You will see a toggle switch for enabling or disabling Autosync. Switch the toggle to the off position to disable Autosync for your projects. After turning off Autosync, ensure you save any changes if prompted. You can return to the main dashboard by tapping the back arrow. To confirm that Autosync has been disabled, revisit the Project Settings section. Check the status of the Autosync toggle. If the toggle is off, Autosync has been successfully disabled. Now, you can manage your projects manually without them autosyncing. This process allows for greater control over your project updates and changes. You're now all set to work on your projects without the autosync feature. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.